Today I will show you 5 apps that pay you money. So guys, app number 1 is Free Cash app. You can make money by simply answer the surveys and complete simple offers. And rewards you with real money. Here is how it works. 1. Complete surveys and get free money every day. 2. Request a payout of your earnings to your PayPal account. 3. Receive real money through PayPal and enjoy your free cash. You can see here 861,000 reviews. And rating is 4.7, which is excellent. App number 2 is Play Spot. This is rewards app where you earn real money playing games on your phone. Discover new games every day. You can choose the games you love and play these games to collect coins. You can get amazing rewards for your coins. Choose from PayPal payouts, Amazon vouchers, Google Play gift cards or money transferred to your bank account. You can see here 548,000 reviews. And rating is 4.3, which tell us this app is very good and trusted. Welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so, whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. App number 3 is Flame. This app will pay you for play games. You can see here 142,000 reviews. And rating is 4.1, which is pretty good. You can earn money by playing games. And you can win different gift cards. You can exchange coins with cool gift cards. Guys, if you enjoy playing mobile games, this will be perfect for you. App number 4 is Dosh app. Dosh gets you automatic cash back at thousands of places when you shop, dine, or book hotels. No coupons or receipt scanning. Simply download the app or find us in your favorite ways to pay, like Venmo or Jelly. All you have to do is connect your credit card and make money. The app will do the rest for you, so every time you purchase something using your connected card, you will get cash back. All you have to do is sign up, connect your card and use it. It is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. Last app is 1Q. This app has pretty good reviews, 27,000 reviews with a 4.3 star rating. This is very popular app. They will pay you directly into your PayPal accounts. You'll get 25 cents every time you answer one simple question. So you can see here questions. 25 cents every single time you answer a question. Now if you want to earn money from YouTube without making a video, check the first link in the description box below. You can earn passive income from YouTube. So click the first link below and watch that video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.